Hey, welcome to another video on affiliate marketing. Today we're talking about, is affiliate marketing free? So you're in the right place if that's what you're wondering. The short answer is yes, affiliate marketing is free. However, the better answer is, well, if you want to do affiliate marketing right, there's some tools you need. You don't need a lot of expenses, even advertising dollars, but you're going to need some tools. You know, on affiliate marketing, you have such a high income potential and such a low, cost of entry at, $100, $150 a month is excellent. That's what makes it one of the reasons affiliate marketing is so incredible. But to answer your question in short, the huge majority of affiliate programs are free. In fact, you'd never run out of opportunities, sticking with the free affiliate opportunities. I think 90+% or 95+% are free. The one I recommend the most, Clickbank.com, as far as getting signed up for free. And you can run off and do that if you want. However, I do have a free video series. I will walk you right through it. I will screen share with you and walk you through signing up at Clickbank. That's day 2 of my free video series. You'll be signed up to earn commissions and can literally start earning that quickly. Early on, I definitely earned some affiliate commissions that way. But if you're really interested in affiliate marketing, and even if you're just, if you have some experience and know what it is, or if you're just searching here for the first time, I recommend the video series. I think you'd enjoy it. We're going to walk through not only getting you signed up as an affiliate where you can earn commissions, but explain to you the actual blueprint, the A through Z of how to do affiliate marketing right. And by right, I mean, that entrepreneur lifestyle, that online entrepreneur, the ability to create a large income part-time from home. We got the blueprint for you, and I can show you the steps to take. So that link is in the description or on the screen here. And that is onlineForIncome.net. I'm going to keep today's video short so you can get right to it. The link in the description or on the screen. Thanks for watching.